How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing the factory handguards on the 24 GasGas ES500. I will drop the links down below. I believe I ordered them directly from KTM or GasGas. I might have gotten them on Amazon, not 100% sure. Pretty much though, it brings the red handguards as well as the brackets to install it and the hardware. Pretty much what you will need is a 10 mil, a T30, and then I believe, don't know what one of the bolts is for, but the little socket that goes onto a drill attachment, etc. So let's get to it. Off with the brake side, pretty much just this little sleeve here. You're gonna go ahead and take it off. All right. We're gonna get our T30. So you get the focus. T30 and 10 mil to unscrew the levers. And your lever comes off. You get this little bracket here. Quick pause, guys. Remember this step. When you go to put in your zip ties, here are the grooves you're going to slide the zip ties through. Pretty much how it's going to go is like this. Just like this. So the groove part will follow the brake reservoir and your bolt goes through. But first, you're going to want to attach the mount to the handguard. So you can get the focus. Self-tapping screw. Put it in. 10 millimeter, you're going to go ahead and screw them on. Insert your lever back in. Spring back in. Get your handguard. Pull it over. It's going to fit snug. You're going to replace your bolts with the ones that they send out to you, like so. It does bring some zip ties. Now I feel it's a little ghetto, but bring them through. There's a little like groove on the end of the lever right here, which you can slide through. And there is a handguard. So pretty much we're gonna repeat the same steps for the other side, and you got it. All right, guys, so as you can see, we now have handguards in place on the good old GasGas. So now, not only will it protect from the cold wind, but most importantly, rock chips. I did notice, and I'll put in the video, that the brackets themselves have some grooving, little holes for the zip ties to go through. So this is a little cleaner. Overall though, pretty satisfied with them, and yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please guys like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.